Hi everybody and welcome to Life Elite Christmas Day 5.
Alright, so today we are making a gingerbread cookie shake. This is an all healthy shake. I mean, there's no dairy in it, no gluten in it.
No,
so
it's all natural.
Basically a vegan shake.
It's delicious.
You could add your own source of protein if you wanted to. This shake's amazing.
Yeah.
I love it.
You could 100% like do this after a workout or like first thing in the morning as a like meal replacement, but it tastes like a gingerbread cookie. Like it's absolutely delicious. So we're gonna show you how to make it, and it is so yummy. I know I'm gonna be drinking this a ton during the holiday season.
Get it.
Okay guys, so the ingredients we're going to need for this recipe is a frozen banana, a fresh banana, some rolled oats, almond milk, ground ginger. I'm using some ground nutmeg and cinnamon, and then some clove essential oil because I don't have any ground clove, and a blender. We will leave all the full recipe details and the blog that we found this on in the description box. So the first thing we're going to do is just add in all of the dry ingredients into the blender and the frozen banana. What I love about this recipe is it has the taste of a shake where it feels like you're tasting something sweet and, you know, it feels like a treat, but at the same time it's all really natural ingredients. And like I said, you can add protein powder to this, so it's really festive, but also really good for you. One thing I forgot to mention is I'm adding in about 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. You can skip this step if you want, but this adds just a little bit of sweetness. If you wanted to add in monk fruit or honey, you could do that as well. Originally, the recipe called for molasses, but I don't have any molasses and I don't really like the taste of molasses, so we decided to use maple syrup instead. You're then gonna blend all of your ingredients with about, we did 16 ounces of almond milk, but you could do a little bit more or less, just depending. Ours was a little bit runny, so you could probably add a little bit more to this recipe if you wanted to make it a little bit chunkier, but this was pretty runny for us.
Then you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day.
After we blended it all up, we're adding it into 2 mason jars, and we're gonna add in some fresh banana slices, and then a little bit of almond milk whipped cream. This whipped cream is delicious. And then we're just topping off with some of the nutmeg and cinnamon on top.
When Santa and his missus wraps the final gift, you know it's time.
And there you have it. These are so pretty and such a great treat. I feel like kids would really like this as well because, again, it feels like a milkshake. You could 100% argue that this is a milkshake, but it's made with healthy ingredients, so you can really enjoy it, and it's delicious and very festive.
Okay guys, so we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you try out these shakes. If you do, please tag us on Instagram. We'll leave the entire recipe in the description box and the blog that we found it on. This is such a great recipe, and again, add protein to this and you can 100% have this like after a workout. It's perfect for that kind of thing and tastes very Christmassy. So we hope you enjoy it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing, and hit that notification bell that you're reminded of the future Christmas videos that are coming up starting tomorrow.
Yep, we have more videos coming the rest of the month up until December 25th. It's going to be so much fun. We've got Christmas recipes, we've got Christmas workouts, we've got, sorry if the camera's moving, Max sniffing. Max, lie down. I need like a dog nanny for when we're shooting. Don't forget to subscribe because we are making videos every single day leading up to Christmas Day. So if you don't want to miss out on any of it, we're making workouts, healthy living tutorials, we're doing recipes, we're doing fun Christmas adventures, all sorts of fun things. So make sure you subscribe and we will see you guys tomorrow for
Day 6.
Day 6. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's going too fast. I'm like already like it's going too fast.
Day 6. Let's get done.